All right, guys. Welcome to this new, this section, which is like SEO career. And in this section, I will share some of my experience about, regarding SEO and on the, online journey, which I have been like. It was all started in 2020. I was, in my university, and it was all started in 2022, where I just came across and saw a video, on YouTube. And that video really blew my mind because it was all about freelancing and learn a skill and sell your services. So from that video, I just saw that video, and it was a turning point in my life where I just make a decision and to start and learn skills online. And where I started, I just started learning content writing. So because it was easy for me, because I was writing in my school years. And so it was easy for me, so I started with as a content writer, and I started producing content for my clients. So I still remember that my first client was from Pakistan, and it was the she she asked me to rewrite the academic. It was actually academic project, where she asked me write a second and third chapter of research paper. So I just write all those content for her. So it was a good project. And uh, I still remember that was my project of like 1500 rupees. And it was amazing experience, and from there it was no back. And here you can see my content writing journey turns into blogging. So I started learning about blogging, that how I can start publishing content on blogs. And where and when I see that blogs make a lot of money, when I searched all of those blogs on the Motion, there are tons of website like Motion Invest, Empire Flipper, which you can where you can sell your blogs to the people, which pay you a good amount of money. Like like if your blog is earning $500, 500 into 3, it's like $1,500. They will eventually give you $1,500 for like your blog when you're selling them. Like 5 into 30, sorry, 5 into 5 to 15,000. Yeah, maybe it's like 15,000. Yeah, $15,000, not 1,500. So if your blog is making $500, you can turn it into $15,000, and you can sell that blog to the Empire Flipper or Flipper, uh, Empire Flipper, or there are lots of sites. Invest. You can search it out. So I just saw that thing, and I start my journey from content writing to blogging, and then from blogging it all turns into like SEO. Because when you start a blog, you will eventually realize that SEO is very important in order to get ranking, in order to get visitors on your website. So I just I did start learning SEO, and apply each and everything. And it turns out to be a very good experience for me. And now it all is worth it, because I had the clients from USA and UK and UAE, India, and of course locally as well. Also, I also teach on Udemy. Check out my free courses. Yeah, from in 2024 October, I started teaching on Udemy and shared all of my experiences, that how you can start a blog, how to learn SEO, how to actually create landing pages. There are tons of courses I've made. Here you can see, this is my Udemy profile, which is new, but eventually with time it will grow. Here you can see on pages, your master class on prompt engineering, AI phone caller, Upwork. Some of the courses are paid, because these information is very rare, I would say. So I also started selling services on Upwork, and I have 100% job score on Upwork. Here you can see landing page design that convert. These are free courses. This is this is paid AI outreach automate agent. So if you're someone who wants to, who wants to do outreach and find some of the clients, you can eventually, you can eventually do this with using AI and different tools. I have explained each and everything in here. Here you can see lead outreach more than 2000 leads with just one click. So this is actually a system. You have to create a system, and then it will eventually work for you. You don't need to put a lot of efforts on this. So these are the few paid courses, but these are the free courses which are getting a lot of good people. Here you can see 14,020 total learners. So this is a pretty decent amount of students I am getting, and it is eventually increased day by day. Here you can see reviews are good. So the journey of my working online has been so good. It was a kind of a roller coaster. All you need is to just keep learning and keep applying things and keep pushing yourself. This is the journey of pushing yourself each day, because you can't wait for clients to come to you. You actually have to do your hard work and show what skills do you have and how you can actually solve someone's problem, business's problems, and brand problems. So it eventually gives you a what to say, it eventually gives you the opportunity when you create content, when you start pushing yourself, learn new things. So I guess my journey is still in the process, I would say, because this is the YouTube channel I started in, I guess, right in 2025. And I hope this journey will going to be last. And yes, that's pretty much it about me. And eventually I know that if you're watching out this video, you will eventually get some of the inspiration, I would say, because everybody started zero and they eventually do some of the things, and eventually get to the destination with the hard works and the struggles they do. So yes, that's pretty much it. If you are someone who want to start your SEO journey or blogging journey or freelancing journey, in the next video I will explain how you can start your online journey and how you can learn each and everything and experience it, of course, in a best possible way. So I hope that's it. See you in the next video.